Are here to celebrate 77th Republic Day with immense pleasure, pride, and patriotism. And this day is one of the landmark, a historical day in the history of India. Why you are sitting, why you are gathered, that you all know, all our students who already deliver very detailed, exhaustive speech regarding this Republic Day. First of all, I want to say again, time and again, repeatedly, in the classroom, outside the classroom, in different forum of our school activities, I told you, what do you mean by Republic? If someone who asks you, what is Republic? Republic means what? Head of a country is a elected one. And who is the head of our country? That is President. And who actually governing the country? A council of ministers. That is headed by Prime Minister. So, dear students, so India is a republic country, and it was first started in 1946 when a constituent assembly was constituted, and the distinguished learned persons of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sachidananda Sinha, and many more leaders, B.R. Ambedkar, who contributed a lot. There was discussion, there was deliberation, debate on the different topics. What should be a constitution of India? And it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to constitute a constitution, to design a constitution. That was a Herculean task before a country who got freedom on midnight of 14 August 1947, which was divided into India and Pakistan. And the Constituent Assembly was also divided. For Pakistan, there was a Pakistan Constituent Assembly. For India, there was a Indian Constituent Assembly. So member also divided. And in that situation, the situation is very, very precarious. The situation is not at all good to frame the constitution, because there was riots, there was killing of peoples when there is partition of India into Pakistan. And there was the country which is reeling under poverty. There was no human resource, but they were not skilled, they were not educated. And also the people not organized such a way that they can lead a vast country like India. So in that situation, the great leader, great nationalist, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was dead in 1945, 18 August, in plane crash, there was probability. So dear students, so India adopted the constitution in 1949, 26 November. That's why we celebrated the Constitution Day on 26 November. And now on 26 January you are celebrating this Republic Day. There was also history. You know, in 26 January 1929 in Lahore session, it was declared by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who that the complete independence day will be celebrated on 26 January. To mark this history and the implementation of the constitution on 26 January, you are celebrating Republic Day. And our Saraswati ma'am already read out the preamble, which is called as the mirror of the constitution. And all the important values, all the important ideas that also mentions in this preface of the constitution, mirror of the constitution, and simply we call what? Preamble of the constitution. So dear students, if you not read the constitution, we can extract the important point, important values. The values that mentioned in the constitution, crores of books were written, crores of books. We can read that books, and this is the day you have to reflect what you have, what we had experienced since our independence, what we have achieved till date, and what we are going to achieve in futures. You know, we all are citizens, proud citizens of India. As a citizen of India, we have to do something for the nation, for nation building. And you know the constitution, the law of the land, the supreme law, our students telling in their deliverance that this is the constitution who giving rights and also protects right. As per the article 32, right against constitutional remedies, right to constitutional remedies. In this article also key article of the constitution, when our right violated, right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom, expression, all these right you can enjoy only if it is guaranteed by the constitution, protected by the judiciary, and protected by the rules and regulations that mentioned in the constitution. So dear students, you have to read today more and more about the constitution. This is the day that you can dedicate it to know the rules and regulation and follows the constitution. And this is the day you can reflect our ideas as a learner, as a student, what you can do for the nation. Always I am telling in the classroom, be sensible, be responsible, as what the rights that you are given, the rights given to the citizen, that only you can enjoy only by fulfilling the duties. Because rights and duties are two parts of a same coin. Without doing the duties, we cannot enjoy rights. So dear students, this is the day India declared as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So what do you mean by sovereign? We should know sovereign means what? India is a country of sovereign, which means no interference, no interventions for other country, the foreign country in the matter of India. We can do whatever we can do. Nobody can say what you have to do and what you have to achieve as a nation. So dear students, second one is that is secular. You know very well that India is a country of diversity. There is different religion. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Yahudi, and many more religions also. So you have to live in a peaceful manner. You have to live in a harmonious manner. Then you can ensure fraternity. If there is no fraternity, there is no peace. That's why it is said that democracy means bringing peace. If we providing our citizen the four pillars of democracy, liberty, equality, fraternity, and equity, all social, economic, political justice, then you can ensure what? A peaceful country. So dear students, be responsible and be aware about the constitution, rules and regulation. Most importantly, the duties and also rights. Always in class 6 to 10, you are all reading again, time and again, different rights, duties, and also human rights, legal rights, civil rights, many more rights. And also we are discussing detail about constitution, what is election, what are institution, okay, in what way the government of India who ruling all over this country, all these things you have to know in detail, so that you will be a responsible citizen, a aware citizen. Aware citizen is called the best citizen. If you are not aware, then you never ever be a best citizen. So dear students, this is the day we can reflect to be a sensible and responsible citizen, so that we can do our best for the development of the country. We know nowadays there is burning topic that discuss all over India. We facing so many challenges: poverty, unemployment, climate change, global warming, and many more. And also NEP 2020 that was being implemented, that is also 5 years passed already. In 2020 it was implemented and it is already past 5 years, and you have achieved so many things. There is so many changes that brought by the government of India regarding education field to be inclusive, to be a inclusive country, inclusive education also implemented. And also you know your new books that coming, class. Already there is change of books in class 6, 7, 8, and in next year class 9 also going to change. There is pattern of examination also going to change. Everything changing. So you have so many challenges in our education system. There is challenges the society facing. If you are aware about that, then you can build a big, strong, robust nation. And you know very well that there is also this one that I am telling. Vision of Odisha 2036. Vision of India 2047. When the Odisha who the province who got independent in or formed in 1936 before we got freedom. So Odisha going to cross the 100 years in 2036. There was a vision 2036. So dear students, when you dissolve this Republic Day celebration, go and see the vision of Odisha 2036, vision of India 2047. In details there was written in what sector, what to be made, what to be done. So again I am telling one important statement that given by B.R. Ambedkar: be educated, be organized, and be united. If we are educated, if we organized, and if we united, then nobody will raise hands, finger us to be a great nation. So again, I am repeating with all dear students, repeat with me. Bande, Bande, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Jai Hind. Thank you.